Welcome to our world of learning vocabulary. Level A1. Our today's topic is animals.
Hi, dear friends. I'm Kate the monkey. These are my friends. Animals. This is my friend, Chicky, the chimp. Hello, Chicky, the chimp.
Hi, Kate, the monkey.
What can you do? Chicky, the chimp.
Look, I can jump.
This is my friend Sylvia, the spider. Hello, Sylvia, the spider.
Hi, Kate, the monkey.
What can you do? Sylvia, the spider.
Look, I can crawl.
This is my friend, Johnny, the parrot. Hi, Johnny, the parrot.
Hello, Kate, the monkey.
What can you do? Johnny, the parrot.
Look, I can fly.
This is my friend, Billy the bird. Hello, Billy the bird.
Hi, Kate the monkey.
What can you do? Billy the bird.
Look, I can fly.
This is my friend, Finny the fish. Hello, Finny the fish.
Hi, Kate the monkey.
What can you do? Finny the fish.
Look, I can swim.
This is my friend, Funny the frog. Hi, Funny the frog.
Hello, Kate the monkey.
What can you do? Funny the frog.
Look, I can jump.
This is my friend, Toto the tiger. Hello, Toto the tiger.
Hi, Kate, the monkey.
What can you do? Toto the tiger.
Look, I can jump.
This is my friend Leo, the lion. Hi, Leo, the lion.
Hello, Kate the monkey.
What can you do? Leo, the lion.
Look, I can jump.
This is my friend, Polly, the panda. Hello, Polly, the panda.
Hi, Kate the monkey.
What can you do? Polly, the panda.
Look, I can climb.
This is my friend, Tutty the tortoise. Hello, Totty, the tortoise.
Hi, Kate, the monkey.
What can you do? Totty, the tortoise.
Look, I can crawl.
This is my friend Stassi, the snake. Hello, Stassi the snake.
Hi, Kate the monkey.
What can you do? Stassi the snake.
Look, I can crawl.
This is my friend, Mimi, the mouse. Hello, Mimi the mouse.
Hi, Kate the monkey.
What can you do? Mimi the mouse.
Look, I can run.
This is my friend, Robert, the horse. Hello, Robert, the horse.
Hi, Kate, the monkey.
What can you do? Robert, the horse.
Look, I can run.
This is my friend, Molly, the cat. Hello, Molly the cat.
Hello, Kate, the monkey.
What can you do? Molly, the cat.
Look, I can climb.
This is my friend Sol, the dog. Hello, Sol, the dog.
Hi, Kate the monkey.
What can you do? Sol, the dog.
Look, I can run.
This is my friend, Ronnie, the rabbit. Hello, Ronnie, the rabbit.
Hi, Kate, the monkey.
What can you do? Ronnie, the rabbit.
Look, I can hop.
What can crawl?
A spider can.
What can fly?
A bird can.
What can jump?
A rabbit can.
What can swim?
A seahorse can.
What can walk?
A tortoise can.
What can talk?
A parrot can.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
I can jump, I can run, I can climb out in the sun. I can jump, I can run, I can swim out in the sun. I can jump, I can run, I can climb out in the sun. I can jump, I can run, I can swim out in the sun.